Hey guys, welcome to today's video, first video of 2018. It's pretty exciting. I don't actually have any far-flung travel content for you guys this week or month or however long it's been since I posted. Today is actually just going to be an unboxing video. We got a very interesting looking package from Microsoft, so we are going to open that up and see what's inside. I already have a pretty good idea about what it's going to be. And today we are going to be unboxing this mystery package from Microsoft. So I say it's a mystery package and we immediately assumed it was a HoloLens. However, this box is pretty big for just a HoloLens. So let's get into it and see what we have. Maybe not. It's fine. You guys, I think we got two. Oh no, wait, never mind. We didn't get two. Is that upside down? It's upside down for you guys. Inside the big box, we have two smaller boxes. Okay. So, first, the headset. And then we have a box for the controllers, and this box is significantly lighter. Let's unbox the headset first. Inside this box, we have a little bag and some cables. I wonder what these are for. We'll find out. It's so light. So, in the immortal words of our technical co-founder Vina, we have been bamboozled. This is not a HoloLens. This is something else. This is an HP Windows mixed reality headset, which is also technically what a HoloLens is. It is also a Microsoft mixed reality headset, but it is not something that they do with HP. So this is clearly something else. So it says on the side 1440 spatial computing, and then on the top it's an HP Windows mixed reality set. So we have the headband here, so that'll fit and secure it to your head, and then it looks like we have two forward-facing cameras. And then we have this little cable attachment on the back, which I think is also new, and we did get some cables to go with that right here. So that will just connect into there. And then on the inside, we have some goggles that have plastic on them. And then just a little like nose bridge in here to keep it comfortable on your face. And Microsoft usually does a pretty good job of making sure the weight of the headset sits in the headband rather than on your nose, because it makes your nose hurt after a while. And then if you wear anything like foundation or concealer, your headset is then covered in makeup because it's all resting on your nose. So this looks pretty promising. I will quickly try it on. It has a dial on the back, so if you need to make the headset bigger, you just turn it, and when it's on your head, you cinch it back up. Much like a hard hat, if you've ever had to wear one of those. So I'm going to give it a go. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Actually, I don't need to adjust it too much. There we go. It's pretty nice. Like, it's not heavy on my face at all. I can't see anything because it's not turned on, but I like it. I like it. And unlike a HoloLens, when you put this guy on, you can't see anything. This is a proper headset. It's not a visor like the HoloLens, which when you put it on, even if it's turned off, you can still see through it. This one, I don't know if like the camera can do it, but they're like goggles. So when I put them on, there we go. Yeah, can't see anything. Oh my gosh. I have VR headset hair. let's move on to the controllers next. Such an unboxing noob. Don't worry guys, I'll figure it out. Figure it out. So in here, similar to before, we have two handheld controllers that, maybe a charger or something. Guess that's it. So let's take a look at one of these. They're really light, the two of these. Like there's nothing to them. I swear they must need batteries or something. Looks like there's a trigger here, which still has some plastic on it, and then I guess maybe a trackpad. It's also a button, and then a little joystick, thumb joystick right there, and then a button here, which I assume is like the menu button, and then a Microsoft button, which I also have no idea what that does right now, but a little Microsoft button, and just this like, it looks like these have little, I don't know if these are just for show or if they actually do something, but it looks like it has little sensors all over it on the front and back, and then all of your lovely serial number stuff right on the front where everyone can see it. And the other one is exactly the same. They are labeled left and right. Wristlets on them so that you can cinch yourself in properly and then start playing. Let's try this all together. We did get a message from Microsoft saying that we are able to cast whatever the user is seeing, we can cast that to a screen. So maybe we will set up a Twitch channel so you guys can see us working on whatever it is we're working on and actually see what we're seeing rather than just watching us, you know, wander around with a headset on. It might be a bit more interesting. I like how light this thing is. Like, it's not that bad. Not a HoloLens, still very interesting though. I think I'm gonna have to take some time to set this up. It is not charged 1 iota, so it's completely dead. So that is all I have for this unboxing. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. If you like these types of videos, this is the first one we've ever done. So let us know, we'd be happy to do more, especially if we have lots of cool new tech to unbox. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.